Assalamu alaikum all the viewers. Hope you are doing well and are fine. I am from Alpha Classes Handwara and I am here to convey a message to all the students as well as the parents that we are going to start a fresh batch of 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th from 1st of November. It is a kind of crash course, come revision classes, whereby 100% syllabus will be completed in with full guarantee in 4 months course. Okay, so and the charges will be minimum so that every student can avail this opportunity. So yes, the times are tough and the session has been shifted to March. So we are not going to waste the time of the students because it is a long process. These are long 4 months. So these 4 months should be utilized in a proper way. So that's why we have kept minimum charges for these 4 months. But in these 4 months, we will deliver our best and we will give our best to the students. Thank you.